To install the Healthy Food Clinic app on your Android, what you need to do is you need to find Play Store on your Android. Then you need to type in Healthy Food Clinic. Now you'll see it down listed there, and then click on, there you go, and then you click on, select it, click on install, and we should install from there. It's downloading, installing, and then click on open. Very simple as that. And once you click on open, it will open the app, as you can see. Then you get a welcome, and then you go to register for the first time. So you go to register, select your goals. You can select any of those goals or all of them. And then what you do, click on next. And then type in, here's important, type in an email, your actual email address, because it will send you an email to verify yourself, and a password that you can remember, and that is very secure for you. So type in the password and then click on create. Now at this point an email will be sent to you, but carry on to the next screen, which is your profile. Put your first name in, last name in, just follow the labels, city, type it in. Date of birth, you can change that to, this one's left as this today. Height is in meters, by the way, should be 1 point something. Telephone number, nationality, email address, and the dates you want to start your meal plan. It could be today, it could be tomorrow, so on. And then where you want your meal plan, what preferred meal plan, click on the country and then click on save and update. And then here it gives a message that says go back to your email. So you're going to go back to your email at this point, and then you'll find an email from us, and you should see a verify your email. So there you go. No reply, and then click on that, and it should now verify you. Yep, Firebase app verified. So now you should be able to log in. Go back to the app on your Android, and then this time you have a slightly different screen, just your email and your password. Type your email and password in, and we should log in. Here we go. It's your birthday because you didn't change the date. It's a trial, you're on trial, 0 credits, and so on. You should have actually 20 credits on your one. Let's get started, and you can see the meal plan for day one. And looking through the screens, you've got fitness. There you go. Next screen, you've got to do with nutrition, and you've got settings page. That's it. Thank you very much.